gantian ya guys ya sama wisatawan mancanegara yang lagi mau foto-foto. Jadi ntar dulu aku kasih dia bisa foto-foto dengan apa ya, dengan bebek gitu. Soalnya kalau aku ke sana takutnya nanti aku jadi pengganggu di fotonya seperti itu guys. Jadi guys, airnya tuh yang pinggir sini tuh nggak terlalu dalam ya. Tapi aku nggak berani agak ke tengah sana karena kata di penjaganya yang di tengah sana itu dalam gitu. Bahkan ada ya di titik yang sampai 6 meter dalamnya. Jadi aku nggak berani di area yang sana. Aku berendam-berendam aja di pinggirannya dan mungkin agak ke tengah sana ya. Airnya enak banget, seger banget, walaupun lumayan dingin tapi seger banget. Oh ya guys, aku lupa dari tadi belum kasih info ke kalian kalau masuk ke area Tibumana Waterfall ini untuk wisatawan domestik itu tiket masuknya 20.000 per orang. Untuk wisatawan mancanegara 25.000 per orang ya. Jadi tiket masuknya masih affordable ya guys ya. Seperti itu. Aku mau balik lagi berendam-berendam di sana. Aku mau balik berendam-berendam di pinggiran area waterfall Tibumana Waterfall ini. you.
Hello, thank you. I'm fine. You?
And what is your name?
Baran.
Barat.
Baran. Yes.
Baran. And where do you come from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey.
Yes, but I live in Austria.
Oh, you live in Austria, but
Yes.
originally from Turkey.
Yes, of course.
Okay. And how long you stay in Bali?
I came yesterday,
Oh, you
Yes.
came.
but I
Yesterday.
stay only 3 days in Bali.
Oh, only
Yes.
3 days.
Yes.
Not enough. Just 3 days in
Yeah.
Bali.
Yes, but I travel around in Indonesia.
Oh, you
Yes.
travel around Indonesia.
My last stop is here in Bali.
Oh, and from Bali you will coming back to Austria?
Not now.
Oh, not now.
I go to Philippines
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Philippines.
and then back to my country.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And have you tried Indonesian food or Balinese food?
Balinese food I didn't try, but Indonesian, I like it. It's good. Like nasi goreng, I eat always, or every day almost. Nasi
Okay.
goreng and other food like Padang.
Rendang? Padang food?
Yeah, especially from Padang. I don't know the name, I forgot, but it was very good. Some other food also good from Indonesia.
Okay. And you can eat spicy food?
No, I cannot change it. But I try.
You try.
Yes, I try to eat spicy. Because
So when it's spicy, you
yes, all the time, all the time.
all the time
All the
when you
time.
eat the spicy food.
Yes.
Can you eat with your hand?
Not always, but I sometimes.
Oh,
Sometimes, yes.
sometimes.
But mostly with fork or
Fork and spoon.
spoon, yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, sometimes I eat with the hand. Like the
Okay.
rice, like this, and then the chicken.
Yeah, chicken. And what do you like the most from Bali?
Bali, the nature.
Nature.
Yeah, the nature, the people also,
Uh-huh.
the local people. Food, I don't know, I need to try, but yeah, but mostly the nature, like waterfall
Yeah.
or I don't know, the rice field. Everything is good here.
Okay, and last question for me. What makes you happy?
Happy? Honestly, the sun, the people, yeah, mostly the sun here.
Okay, mostly the sun.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you also, you're welcome.
Yeah. Okay. And how long you traveling in Indonesia?
About 24 days.
24 days.
Yes.
And what place, what city you been visit?
My first stop was in Medan,
Uh-huh.
Medan City. And then I went to Bukit Tinggi. After Bukit Tinggi, Padang. And then Jakarta. Bandung.
Bandung.
Sorry. Yes. Bandung. And then Banyuwangi.
Banyuwangi.
And now in Bali.
Okay. And what place you visit? What place?
Di Padang in Jam Gadang.
Just like Tibumana Waterfall. What
In Bali?
sightseeing place you visit? What is sightseeing place?
Yes, sightseeing. I went out to the nature,
Yeah, nature.
trying food,
Trying
local food,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, just traveling around to see Indonesia. I always wanted to see Indonesia, but mostly I wanted to see the nature around
Nature.
Indonesia
Uh-huh.
and sometimes the city, like Jakarta, around Jakarta, Medan,
Okay.
sightseeing, And Bandung, I went out to the nature,
Oh, you went to
yeah,
the
to the
nature?
hot spring,
Pardon?
to the hot spring,
To the hot spring,
in
oh.
Maribaya, you know?
Yeah, Maribaya.
Yes, yes, Maribaya. It's a very nice place, of course.
Yeah.
I would recommend everybody to go there. It's
Yeah.
very beautiful.
Tangkuban Perahu.
Do you go to Tangkuban Perahu in Bandung? No?
I don't, no.
No.
Only the Kitty and Maribaya, like Lembang.
Lembang.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And in Banyuwangi, what place do you visit?
Banyuwangi, I went to the equator. The equator, you know?
Equator?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Some rice fields,
Some rice field?
yes,
Okay.
and the Kitty, around the Kitty. Yes.
Okay.
I was only there about 3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
And from Banyuwangi, you go to Bali.
Banyuwangi.
Yeah, from Banyuwangi, you go to Bali.
Banyuwangi, I was in resort. Sorry, I thought you thought about Bukit Tinggi.
Oh,
No, Banyuwangi, I was in the resort for 2 days. Just relax.
oh, just
But I
relax.
wanted to see the blue fire, but it was closed.
Oh.
The only reason I went there is the blue fire, but
Yeah.
because of construction, it was closed. But maybe next time.
Uh-huh. And you hike to the Blue Fire.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you
It was
didn't?
closed. But I could hike to the blue fire, but I cannot see the blue fire
Yeah,
because it was closed.
Yeah.
So I just relaxed in the hotel.
Yeah. And from Banyuwangi, you go to Bali. You went to Bali.
Yes, to Bali.
Okay.
Now I'm here.
Yeah, and I'm here, and we meet, and we meet each other in here in Tibumana Waterfall.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, that's all my video for today. Aku harap bisa kasih gambaran ke kalian tentang seperti apa Tibumana Waterfall di Bangli, Bali ya. Jadi Tibumana Waterfall ini udah masuk Kabupaten Bangli. Semoga video ini bermanfaat buat kalian. Jangan lupa kalian yang nonton konten aku sampai selesai, klik tombol like-nya dan share video ini ke semua akun sosial media yang kalian miliki, supaya lebih banyak orang yang tahu tentang seperti apa Tibumana Waterfall di Bangli, Bali. Terus buat kalian yang belum subscribe channel YouTube aku, jangan lupa diklik dulu tanda subscribe-nya dan nyalain juga tanda lonceng notifikasinya. Jadi saat aku upload konten terbaru, kalian langsung dapat pemberitahuan. Lalu buat kalian yang ada komentar ataupun ada pertanyaan, boleh banget tuliskan semuanya di kolom komentar yang ada di bawah ini ya. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!